And we tell Zora Mamdani, you can go back to Uganda to where you came from.
Wow, New York City, you just get everything, huh? You get to go to the NBA Finals and you have a good mayor. Wow, you're just God's favorite. You're just the favorite.
إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح.
Ketika pertolongan Allah datang dan kemenangan telah tiba. Ribuan orang berdiri rapat di bawah langit New York. Tak ada podium kampanye, tak ada slogan partai. Hanya gema takbir dan manusia-manusia yang ingin pulang sebentar kepada Tuhan. Lalu di tengah lautan putih pakaian Eid, datang seorang pria dengan kurta Arsenal. Internet Muslim pun langsung terbelah. Ada yang heran, hari raya kok vibe-nya Arsenal? Ada juga yang sibuk. Link kurtanya mana? Beginilah zaman sekarang. Bahkan sunnah dan fashion bisa debat dalam satu timeline.
I'm lost for words. What's going on? I can't believe what I'm seeing. This guy wore an Arsenal thobe. He wore an Arsenal jalabiyah to Eid, bro. First Muslim mayor of New York City. This is a chance, okay? This is a chance to give good representations to the Muslim in the United States. This is a good chance to spread, the idea of Islam, Tawheed. Maybe show people that sacrifice is a way to get closer to Allah. Maybe show people how, we need to bring the communities together. But let's make this about Arsenal. I'm disgusted, and even if this was a Chelsea club, even if it was a Barcelona club, I would have made this exact same video. Because when you're that high of a leader, of a public figure, just wear this. Wear this. Be normal, bro. Show people, normal things, bro. I know 9/11 set us back, but this is just as bad.
But I just want to say, as an Arsenal fan, I need to get my hands on this thobe. I have been searching everywhere. It looks like you can get them in Uganda. I have not seen any place online I can get my hands on this for my kids, my boys. Mamdani. Like, we would be friends. We would be friends.
Di tengah pro dan kontra itu, Zohran tampaknya paham simbol. Di era internet, kadang sebuah outfit bisa lebih viral daripada pidato politik. Dan ironisnya, saat sebagian orang sibuk marah karena kurta Arsenalnya, pasar justru melihat peluang. Fashion Eid, olahraga, dan identitas muslim modern mulai bertemu dalam kultur populer. Tapi setelah semua keramaian itu, Zohran membawa suasana ke arah yang lebih serius. Di hadapan ribuan jamaah Idul Adha, ia membacakan Ali Imran 103 tentang persatuan. Di tengah Amerika yang baru saja diguncang serangan Islamofobia terhadap Masjid San Diego.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is an honor to be with you on this sacred and joyful day. I want to first thank our Congresswoman, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who is today and honor Prophet Ibrahim, may peace be upon him, and his willingness to sacrifice. We reflect on our responsibilities to one another, and we extend a hand to those that need it most. What I love about Eid al-Adha is the reminder that sacrifice is not a burden, nor a rigid equation where one party ends up with more and the other with less. Sacrifice is instead an opportunity to understand ourselves as part of something larger. As New York City's first Muslim mayor, I am determined to lead through this lens of solidarity, to ensure that every New Yorker who calls the city home can afford to keep calling the city home. I know that this joyous occasion, this Eid that we look forward to for the entirety of the year, comes also at a time of pain for so many of us. For those grieving the deadly attack at the San Diego Masjid, to others fearing for loved ones abroad, to still others facing hardship here in New York City. In moments like these, I am comforted by the words of Surah Ali Imran 103. Hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together, and do not become divided. In times like these, I like to remember that solidarity is in fact our strength. And as we enjoy our biryani and our korma today, let us remember that our sacrifice will bring with it not only greater peace, but also greater prosperity. Eid Mubarak, Eid Said, Assalamualaikum.
Dan mungkin inilah ironi zaman modern. Di satu sisi, seorang wali kota muslim yang sering dilabeli radikal dan anti-barat, berdiri dengan kurta Arsenal di tengah sholat Id, mengingatkan tentang persatuan setelah serangan Islamofobia mengguncang sebuah masjid di San Diego. Namun di sisi lain, sebagian orang yang mengaku Kristen konservatif justru membalasnya dengan amarah dan seruan deportasi. Aneh ya, ayat tentang persaudaraan terasa begitu mengganggu, padahal kitab mereka sendiri berkata, "Kasihilah sesamamu manusia seperti dirimu sendiri."
And we tell Zoro Mamdani, you can go back to Uganda to where you came from. I was a little nervous to come here today because it was only about 2 months ago when I was standing right over here and we were doing a peaceful protest against Islam. And over here to my left, all I heard was Allahu Akbar, and then this IED bomb landed at my feet. And I had to tell you, by the good grace of God, we are here to live to fight another day. A vote for Kathy Hochul is a vote for the Quran. A vote for Kathy Hochul is a vote for Sharia law.
Dan disitulah cerita ini menjadi menarik. Ketika sebagian orang meneriakkan deportasi, mengungkit asal-usul, dan mempertanyakan siapa yang pantas menjadi orang Amerika, di luar sana, orang-orang justru mulai membicarakan hal yang berbeda. Bukan soal Uganda, bukan soal agama, tapi soal kota yang terasa mulai bergerak ke arah yang mereka harapkan. Dan ironisnya, semakin keras teriakan penolakan itu terdengar, semakin banyak orang yang justru berkata, "New York, kota pilihan Tuhan. Loh, kok bisa?"
Wow, New York City, you just get everything, huh? You get to go to the NBA Finals and you have a good mayor. Wow, you're just God's favorite. You're just the favorite. You guys get your holes filled. You tax billionaires. You just get everything, huh? Oh yeah, well, LA's about to elect Spencer Pratt, so haha.
I don't believe in coincidences and the fact that New York has had terrible mayors for the last 20-something years, and all of a sudden Zoran wins the election and he becomes mayor, and all of a sudden the Knicks are in the final. Like, that's not a coincidence. That's not a coincidence. That's energy, baby. That's energy, baby. Okay? New York was not worthy of making it to the finals under the energy that was in the city before. But now that you guys have Zoran, it's like the gods are favoring you. I don't know which ones. I don't know if basketball has its own gods, but the gods are favoring New York right now. It's just what it is.
Kisah ini melampaui sekadar sehelai kurta atau riuhnya perdebatan ideologi. Ada sunnatullah yang patut direnungkan saat sebuah masyarakat mulai berani merajut asa dan menepis ketakutan. Kalam ilahi menegaskan, dan sekiranya penduduk negeri-negeri beriman dan bertakwa, niscaya kami akan melimpahkan kepada mereka keberkahan dari langit dan bumi. Ini bukan sekadar tentang Zohran atau New York, melainkan prinsip abadi. Peradaban akan selalu memanen apa yang disemainya. Tanam kebencian, tumbuhlah perpecahan. Tabur keadilan, mekarlah harapan. Pada akhirnya, waktu akan menjadi saksi. Sebab setinggi apapun kebatilan membangun menara, ia memang terlahir untuk runtuh saat kebenaran tiba.